Good morning, YouTube. I am going to let the animals out at Mary's place here that I come to every day. That's the chicken barn. That's the goat barn there. So let's hope I don't shake the camera as I'm walking. And let's see how much I can record today. Look how pretty. The goats ate all that up. Oops, wrong way. I'm hoping to get my yard done soon. Oh, yeah, I gotta lock this up because the goats will open it if I don't. And oh my gosh, I'm wasting time. I'm trying to put my soda down. My water bottle. Lock this up. So pretty today. Alright, let's let the goats out first. And I don't know if it's going to be a rainy day today, but if it is, they won't have to go over to the other side. Good morning. Hi, Andy. Oh my goodness. Oscar's back there pooping. I can hear bloop, 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 bloop. Okay. Open this up. This is the chicken yard. The goats don't get to come in here because they ate the screen off the bathroom window in the master bathroom. Well, they ate a hole. This is where the chickens are at. Chickies, come on! Guinea. Oopsie, door's closed. Oops. Oh, Lord. I need to latch that. Let me latch this. Ooh. Oh, everything is hard to do with one hand. Ay, ay, really. There should be a turkey hen in here. Okay, uh-oh. Where is the turkey? Oh, I think she came out. Okay. Now I gotta let the chickens that decide they want to sleep in this one out. Chickens decide where they want to go. Hi, Texas. You're mean today. You're all poofy. And put the rock here to keep this open. Look at this handsome boy. He's got the beautiful Wyandotte lacing on his chest forming. There's one of my girls. There's the blue Sarama. Kookamoran. That's where the new deck is going to go for the chicken coop on the other side. Okay. This one. What a pretty view today. Have your morning coffee there. Okay, there's only a pair of babies in here, which really the Cornish should sleep in there. These guys out. This is the little chick coop that grow out pen. And open this up. Hi, duckies! Look at the Cornish, they're ready to come out. Look at all the babies. Look at that Australorp. She's a big girl. Okay, where's the rock for this one? No clue. I don't know. Oh, I found it. Look at these Cornish. Oh my goodness. They're so big. They are now going to turn 8 weeks old in a few days. Alright, I think that is it. Those are some other yards over there. It's a cloudy, sprinkly day. This is the morning routine of letting them out. That's their little pond area over there. So everybody's out. Time to clean. I can't wait till this is done. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Don't know if you guys remember, I had raised that little frizzle. And this one They're actually mixed breeds. It's a half Cochin Frizzle and half Silky. That's Silky right there. These guys are going to be going soon. They're Cornish crosses. We don't butcher our birds because we can't take their lives away, but we'll see what happens. If we have a butcher that can do it, then great. If not, I don't know. We just don't want them to suffer from being huge. That little pullet's going to be a Kookamoran girl. Oh, and yesterday, all of the boys, we ended up donating 17 male farm animals, which were all chickens and 3 drakes, I should say. And they went to a place where they feed wild animals. So they humanely euthanize them by putting them to sleep, and then from there they feed them to coyotes that are rescued, eagles, owls, probably wolves, I'm not sure. Because they get animals from out of state as well. Rehabilitate them. You know how it goes whenever you're doing rescues and donations and stuff like that from the public. Oh, look at this little guy. That's the son, and this is the dad. He's so pretty. Looks just like his daddy. He started out lavender. Okay, now I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching.